I'm going to share with you an exciting adventure that beckons me in the future, one that fills my heart with anticipation and wonder. Picture this: a breathtaking journey to the vast and untamed wilderness of Patagonia, South America, a land of rugged beauty, where towering peaks, turquoise lakes, and expansive glaciers weave an awe-inspiring tapestry of nature's grandeur. Accompanied by my closest friends, kindred spirits bound by a shared love for exploration and the great outdoors, we would embark on this unforgettable odyssey. Together, we would immerse ourselves in the pristine wilderness, navigating through dense forests, traversing snow-capped mountain passes, and marveling at cascading waterfalls. The reasons behind my desire for this adventure are manifold. Firstly, the allure of Patagonia's unspoiled landscapes calls to my soul, offering a chance to disconnect from the chaos of the modern world and connect with the essence of nature. Secondly, the camaraderie of embarking on such an expedition with my cherished friends fosters a profound sense of belonging and unity, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Moreover, this adventure presents an opportunity for personal growth and self-discovery, as we confront challenges, push our limits, and witness the immense power of the natural world. It is a chance to embrace the unknown, to live in the moment, and to come out on the other side with a newfound appreciation for life's wonders. In summary, the allure of an expedition to Patagonia, shared with dear friends, beckons me irresistibly. It embodies the essence of adventure, exploration, challenge, and the chance to forge unbreakable bonds. So with hearts full of excitement, we eagerly await the day we set foot on this thrilling journey of a lifetime. Thank you.